In a book, the story of how the Spokane Parks began is recounted. Aubrey L. White convinced his friend W. H. Coles to take a ride with him one spring day in 1895. White offered to drive Coles to a spot where there was an unusually interesting waterfall. As the two men approached the area, this cliff in the hills known as Indian Canyon was covered in a wealth of native syringa and other wild shrubbery that hid a small brook. In the deepest part of the canyon, the stream came spectacularly into view in the picturesque waterfall. From this trip, White wrote, began my own and Mr. Coles' joint action for building up Spokane's park system. White reminisced, we talk about what a wonderful park this Indian Canyon would make, but it was over 20 years before we finally succeeded in securing it and much adjoining land and creating Indian Canyon Park. This excerpt was from News for an Empire.